I'm back with another lunch recipe, and we're making lime herbed marlin with potato salad. Of course, you guys know a girl loves some lime. So we squeeze half of a lime, add in some melted butter. I used 1 tablespoon of regular butter and 1 tablespoon of garlic butter, 2 grated cloves of garlic, chopped parsley and celery. Mix that up nice, and then I added some thyme, some garlic and herb seasoning. I also added some black pepper and added some paprika, and I'm going to mix that up. Adding some ginger sauce for that extra little zing. And in a baking sheet or baking pan, we're gonna add our seasoned marlin, and we're gonna baste the marlin with our mixture. And let me tell you guys, like, I made sure that the marlin was well basted with that garlic and lime mixture. I added some limes on top of the marlin just for that extra lime juice and added flavor. We're gonna add some foil paper and pop that in the oven. And midway through, we took the foil paper off, and look at how good that looks. Now we're gonna make some potato salad. Boil some potato, add some mixed vegetables, some grated onions, add in some mustard, add in some mayo, add in some black pepper and some adobo seasoning, and then we're just gonna combine everything. Well, I also added some parsley flakes, added some boiled egg, well, 1 boiled egg, and then I combined everything. And it was time to get the fish out of the oven, and look at how soft and flaky and nice that marlin looks like, guys. I know people say like marlin is a tough fish to cook, but I love it. I love it. So now it's time to plate my lunch. I am cutting some tomatoes, and I'm going to add my fish to my plate, and then we're just gonna add in the potato salad, and I am ready to eat, because it wouldn't be crandall if it didn't have lime on the plate, because you know we love the lime over here. We love lime. We love lime. So pop that potato salad on there, and that's what my lunch looks like. I'm having some sparkling ice black cherry, and yeah, time to dig in. Don't mind the hair, don't mind the face. We're ready to eat, and let me tell you guys, it was absolutely amazing. I'll catch you guys in my next cooking video. Bye. Yep. Yep. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Mm-hmm.